In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Gmail contacts to another Gmail account. We'll move your entire address book from one Google account to another using Google's built-in tools. It's a quick two-part process. First, we export your contacts from the old account, then we import them into the new one. Start by signing into the Gmail account that currently holds your contacts. In the top right corner of the page, click the Google Apps grid, the little 9-dot icon. From the menu that opens, choose Google Contacts. This takes you to a dedicated page where all your saved people, emails, and phone numbers live. Take a moment to glance through your list so you know what will be included. Look for the export icon, which usually looks like an arrow pointing upward, and click it. When the export options appear, choose Google CSV. This format is designed for moving contacts between Gmail accounts reliably. If you were taking your contacts to another platform, you might use VCF or vCard, but for Gmail to Gmail, Google CSV is the right pick. Click Export and your contacts file will download to your computer. Most browsers save it to the Downloads folder by default. If you're unsure where it went, check your browser's recent downloads to confirm the file name and location. Now switch to your new Gmail account. You can sign out of the old one and sign into the new one, or use the account switcher if you prefer. Again, open Google Contacts from the Google Apps grid, so you're on the correct contacts page for the new account. On the left-hand side, click Import. You'll be prompted to select a file. Choose Select File, then navigate to the CSV you just downloaded. Once you've highlighted that file, click Import to begin transferring. Give it a moment to process. The time it takes depends on how many contacts you have and your connection speed. When it's done, you'll see your contacts appear in the list. Look through a few entries to make sure names, email addresses, and phone numbers look right. If you had lots of entries, you might notice Google naturally consolidates some duplicates over time, and labels may adjust to the new account structure. That's it, your Gmail contacts are now successfully transferred to your new account. For safety, make it a habit to back up your contacts regularly by exporting a fresh copy so you're protected against accidental deletions or device issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.